some of the worst of the flooding. And here's a driver's eye view of the flooding on the Thruway. Have you ever seen anything like this before? That was at exit 46. Homeowners are also suffering as well. News 10 NBC's Aaron Mahin is live on Blackwell Lane in Henrietta. Aaron, how are things looking out there today?
They're definitely drier than they were, Nikki, but there's still quite a bit of mess for folks to clean up out here. As you mentioned, I'm right in front of Blackwell Lane, the neighborhood here. And when I first came out here earlier this morning, I saw several garage doors open with people trying to air things out in the aftermath of all of that water. A couple of families told me they ended up getting around half a foot of water in their garage and basements. If you take a look at the footage here, you can see people using fans to try and dry things out. When I was walking through here, I saw people take everything out of their garage. They were wiping it down, letting it bake in the sun a little bit before deciding to put it away after it dried. Mindy Hafner works in the area and says that she got caught in the storm on her way home last night.
Got home, we just had a little bit in the basement. Not too horribly bad. We've had it worse, but it wasn't too horribly bad. But we still got water coming over the slab and stuff to clean up. The carpet's soaked, but we got most of it cleaned up. I've got a little Bissell that I've been cleaning up with, but it's going to take some time. Got the fans down there and stuff.
Hafner says that they've had flooding before, especially during heavier storms. So at this point, as a precaution, they've just gotten used to putting things in plastic down there in the basement. And this time around, she says they're going to be able to take care of cleanup themselves. I spoke to other families on this side of the road where Hafner lives, and they said they also experienced flooding in their basement and garages. One man I talked to said that even though he has pumps, he still saw several inches of water in his basement, thinking that maybe those systems ended up getting overloaded with how much rain was coming through in such a short amount of time last night. Live in Henrietta, Aaron Mahin, News 10 NBC.
Aaron, that little guy with his own little wheelbarrow in your video, adorable. Everybody's helping out. Hey, Aaron, we'll check back in with you on News 10 NBC at 5.